Thank you for joining us. I'm Yanta Liu. A student born and raised in Aruba is making a name for himself in the United States. His forensic major and interest outside of school is attracting media attention. Aaron Martes is attending Florida Tech. He stopped by the YFIT studios to participate in a Florida Tech International Spotlight interview. You can tell he is a true Aruban at heart, since every chance he gets to talk about the island, he does.
Hello, this is EJ Castor with a Florida Tech International Student Spotlight. With me today is Aaron Martes, and he is from Aruba. Hi, Aaron. Welcome to the station.
Buen dia. Hi.
And we were talking about your primary language in Aruba is papiamento.
Yes. It's a mixture of French, Spanish, English, Dutch, and Portuguese.
So it's Creole. It's a combination of languages that is now the primary language.
We actually have two primary languages. It's both Dutch and Papiamento because we were a former Dutch colony.
Aruba had the opportunity to leave the island to study abroad at one of the most prestigious colleges in the field he is pursuing.
I came to Florida Tech specifically for forensic psych. It's only one of 4 programs in the entire nation, and it's definitely one of the best ones. Professors and faculty here, a lot of them work for the FBI. They help us with really good internships. It's a great opportunity here.
Aaron is a multi-talented individual. Besides for being focused on his studies, he is also an artist. On top of the artwork he creates, like the ones you see before here, he is also an athlete and musician.
And you're multi-talented. You were telling me you're an artist and you play the guitar. Tell me about your artwork.
Well, I do a lot of mixed media. I got into arts thanks to my dad. He actually has had a few shows back home. Here I do a lot of spray paint, pencil work. I like to do spray paint on canvas. I've actually been thinking about doing a mural on the CV parking garage wall, with permission of the school, obviously. I was thinking sort of like I did for the physics department back home, like a moon or something with that. Like the sky isn't the limit because there are footprints on the moon.
It's good to see young students from the island venturing off to reach their full potential abroad.